Hello, Ron Johnson, Seattle Mitsubishi, Seattle, Washington. This truck here is a catering company's dream. This truck was spec'd and customized for the Spirit of Washington dinner train's needs. And it turned out it's an excellent truck for any catering company. Where we start is this truck has a reefer unit. You have 6 feet in the box, which is refrigerated. The rest of it is for your dishes and silver, what have you. It even has a heat warmer on it. You're totally self-contained. You absolutely need no power. Here you're seeing a good view of this Onan diesel-powered 5500 series generator power plant. This is what gives you the full capability without any source of power for the operation of this vehicle. And keep in mind, all of the add-on components was new in '07. This truck also has a 2,000-pound takeaway liftgate. It's a perfect platform to get your food carts in and out of the truck with ease, no problem at all. What you see here is the reefer portion of this body. It is totally insulated, including the wall, and the door is airtight and sealed, so you don't lose any coolant, none whatsoever. Okay, what you're seeing here is the fuse box and plug-in, also the switch for the light, and this is the source that you get from the diesel generator power plant. What you're looking at here is a Crest Core tray warmer, and again, your power source to heat this is from your diesel power generator that you have on board. What you're seeing here is actually the dry part of the box. You have approximately 10 feet to be able to put your tables, your dishes, silverware, whatever is needed for your catering job at that particular time. You also have several D-rings throughout the body on the inside to be able to secure your load so it doesn't move. Everything about this vehicle is hands-on inside the dash. What we're doing here is actually starting the generator to be able to get your power. And it's running. The box that you see here is actually your control mechanism for the refrigeration part of the body. The components also in this vehicle, you have a 4-speed automatic transmission, you have air conditioning, you have an AM/FM cassette player, power windows and door locks, cruise control, the telescopic wheel. What you're seeing here is the power of the truck. It is a Mitsubishi Fuso 4-cylinder turbocharged 175 horse. Now keep in mind, there's only 74,000 miles on this truck. Now this will recap everything that you saw about this truck. All of the custom work, new in '07. We're only asking $26,900 for this 2003 model. Everything goes with it. 74,000 miles. You won't find anything better for less. Call us today. We can help you.